Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do today. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is Friday. The weekend is here. You guys could check them out. The link will be down below for this item. Coming from HOMARY. Definitely, if you like this item, click the link. Check out, and they'll ship this to you. But they got a lot of cool home furniture, you name it, from couches, bed frames to TV displays. So all you gotta do is click the link down below. We're gonna get into this big thing right now and show you guys what's inside. So like I said, all you gotta do is click the link, check them out, and see what they have. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. We got the couch. Get off my couch. Look at this beauty. Love the color. It's like a gray and black mixed in pretty well. And they got the gold around. Really nice. You're definitely going to have to get this one, guys. Really comfortable too. And yes, it does come with pillows. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to have to adjust my light. Hold on one sec. Okay, that's a little bit better. But yeah, definitely take this. Still there. Here we go. And now I'm going to put the pillows on it to let you guys see what it looks like with pillows. But definitely heavy, so you might want to grab a couple buddies to set it up. But perfect for a college dorm maybe. But definitely apartment, condo, a loft, your house, basement like I have mine. So, but really cool. Something different, that is for sure. I'm going to grab those pillows and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. It came with two gold ones and a light gray pillow. So it varies. So you might get something else, but you're going to get 3 pillows, but different colors. So you never know. It's kind of like a mystery bonus. But really cool though. Super comfy couch. Look how deep it is. Definitely you can watch it on the screen right there. No problems. So, and you probably definitely could sleep on it. It's long enough, but definitely a big one. Really nice. Oops. Do over here. Yeah, there's the garbage you got to take out now, so that ain't too bad. But this couch is definitely amazing, guys. Here you go. So thank you guys at HOMARY. Link will be down below. Definitely, YouTubers, check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, add it to your cart right now. Check out, and they'll ship this to you really fast. So, really cool. Alright, be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.